what's up guys, my name is Jeff from Pro Scientist and today I'm here to tell you about Arctic and Antarctic and much more. So let's begin. Now first of all, let's see what is the difference between the Antarctic and the Arctic. The areas around the North and the South Poles are called the Arctic and the Antarctic regions respectively. Both these regions are cold and covered with ice, but there is a big difference between the two. There is seawater below the Arctic ice cap, which means that in the Arctic, below the ice, there is seawater. While in the Antarctic, below the ice, there is rocky mainland, which is there is land below the ice. So the fauna is also not the same. So the food and the vegetation is also not the same in both the places. Penguins live in the Antarctic and are not found in the North Pole. So they are not found in the North Pole, which means they only live in the Antarctic. Polar bears are species and a species of seals with huge tusks called walrus are found. Huge whales swim off the coast of both the polar regions, which means the killer whales and the whales are found in both the polar regions, the Antarctic and the Arctic. They feed on krill and are famous for their hunting technique. So krill is the small insect. So krill is a Norwegian word that means whale food. These are small shrimps about 6 cm long, which feed mainly on algae and are found in huge swarms in cold waters. Krill is the main food of whales, octopuses, seals, penguin, albatrosses and other seabirds. Albatross is a seabird which is mainly found in cold regions and where there are usually seas. Krill is also known as the light shrimp because it has luminous organs at the eye stalk and on the various parts of the body, which emit yellow-green light. So this is what a krill is. Next, we're going to see how do the animals in the polar regions protect themselves against cold. Penguins have a thick plumage and a thick layer of fat. In addition, their body shape, a lot of mass with the smallest possible surface, ensures that the animals lose very little of their body heat. Polar bears protect themselves with the help of a layer of fat, but they have also another heating mechanism. Individual hairs of their fur are hollow and conduct a little sunlight available in the skin like grass fiber cables. Their skin is black, not bright like other animals. The black stores heat, since the undercoat of the polar bear's hide is very thick. The body's heat is not lost. Therefore, the polar bear is able to survive even in the freezing cold of the Arctic. And the last thing of this video, we shall see what do the walruses use their tusks for. Male walruses show their age and social rank in the herd through the length of their tusks. They use them to form and maintain holes in the ice and in climbing out of the water into the ice. They do not need the tusks for hunting because they feed mainly on shells and small animals. Like the tusks of the elephants, walrus tusks have been used for the tools as well as the material for handicrafts. The Eskimos, who have been feeding on walruses for centuries, make artistic carvings from the tusks. So this was it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed it and got the information you wanted, then please like, share and subscribe the channel so that you never miss an important video and any update related to this channel. Thank you.